right, everybody, this is the second player random, the second case, second break. It is full. All the randoms are in the thread, cleaned up for you. It's gonna be pretty fast. Hey, Royals, how you doing? So, yeah, you know. All right, get back up there. I still have not hit a 1 of 1, so that's very sad. I should like to have done that, but I haven't. All right, these are going to be your boxes. Starting with the top, that's box 1. At the bottom, that is box 8. So each box is its own break. It has its own random. Good luck. Everybody has 3 names. Every box has 2 hits. There's probably a box in here that has 3, but I don't know. We'll see. Just slap the camera. Johnny Bench, nice card, Johnny Bench. And Piguero, not as nice. It's whatever. All right, so that is box 1, nice Hall of Famer. And a rookie to 15. That 15, that might have won last night when we were doing the the box wars. I don't know. All right, this is break 2. Break 2. And in break 2, we have a Blake Snell to 30. And George Springer's a cheater. Okay. That is break 2. So if you have George Springer or Blake Snell, you win break 2. Here comes break 3. Nothing crazy yet. Nothing crazy. We have Christopher Morel. Oh, we got 3 hits. Will Benson, Christopher Morel, Will Benson, and Button. Jumbo Prime card button parallel of Rafael Devers. Hell yeah. That's fantastic. So a Button jumbo patch prime card button parallel. I wonder what that's to. That's probably to at least 5, right? Hold on, I'm going to check because I really want to know. I really want to know. I also want to know who has that spot, but I don't know yet. Let's see here. All right, let's see. Buttons. What does it say? 5-star autograph jumbo prime button. All right, let's see. Button is to 5. Yes, to 5. So, that's fantastic. I wish it was live, but I mean, that is pretty good. All right, box 3. Let me see who has that spot in box 3. I got to go up. It's easier to look by player. Let's see here. That's 2. This is 3. Rafael Devers is M. Barnes, 1546. It could be to 3, though, because, you know, it says 5, but it could always be 5 or less. So that's awesome. That's awesome. Congratulations, M. Barnes. And a very nice card. That's great, man. That's really great. I wish we could see it, but I'm not mad. All right. All right. It's nice to hit a good card. I'm glad we didn't hit that in the box war because, or if we did, right? Yeah, if we did, I just yeah, I don't like hitting redemptions in box wars, but okay. This is box 4. Box 4. Probably they probably do. Ezekiel Tovar to 10. It's a nice card. Ezekiel Tovar rookie auto to 10, and Jeter Downs rookie auto. So the golden graphs are supposed to be case hits, but you can hit parallels of them. So I mean, they're not. There's a lot of them. Like last night, my first 3 boxes had one. All right, this is box 5. Box 5. Good luck. All right, here we go. Uh-oh, what do we got there? Look at that. Man, congratulations, box 5. Ichiro and Jazz Chisholm to 30. But man, that Ichiro, that is really nice. Whew. Holy cow. Holy cow. All right, box 5, Ichiro. Let's see. Who has Ichiro in box 5? Rock 1. Rock 1. Well, congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. I need another pack of sleeves here. Oh, that one's already done, so good to go. All right, let me grab another pack of the jumbos. Right here. Okay. I knew I had some. All right, box 6. Box 6. We have Josh Young. It's a nice little auto, Josh Young. And Tyler Freeman. Tyler Freeman. Josh Young. Okay. All right, that's not the greatest box. Box 6. Box 7. Box 7. Let's see what we got in box 7. We have, oh, that's nice. Volpe, not a Nope. Actually, I lied. It is a Nope. Volpe, that is a Nope. Right there. And George Kirby. But congratulations to whoever has the Nope auto. Yeah. If you ever wondered where that came from, my Volpe, not a Nope, that's where it came from, because that's his Nope auto. There it is. All right, my friends. This has been a good case. It's been a good case overall. I mean, not every box has been good, but it's been a good case. Here we go. Let's see what happens. All right, so it looks like that was our box with 3 autos. And Adrian Beltre, Hall of Famer. Adrian Beltre. And Walker Buehler. Nice little color match on the Buehler. 21 out of 25. All right, my friends. But really, the Ichiro, the Volpe, and definitely the Devers button patch. Those are the best hits. I'll go ahead and post the hits list before I leave. But other than that, I'm going to leave. We are almost done packaging the 12 caser. And I've already shipped about half of it and the rest will be shipped tomorrow. So if you're in the 12 case jumbo break, and you don't have shipping yet, you'll probably have it tomorrow, and it should be in tomorrow's mail. And then the day after tomorrow, we'll start the second half of the 100 caser. Thank you guys very much. I really appreciate you. You have a great night. Sorry it was so quick, but like I said, we've been struggling, working hard. All right, have a good one. Thank you. Good night.